Hey everybody, I'm Megan and welcome to another 60-second beauty review. Today's review is a little bit different because we have a challenge, a throwdown, because we are going to determine the best drugstore lip balm with SPF. We have the SunBum Watermelon SPF 30 and we have the Nivea Smoothness SPF 15. You can see that both of these are in a clear balm formula. This version of the SunBum is watermelon scented. There's also a coconut scented one. The Nivea just has kind of a light, clean scent to it. Like I mentioned, the SunBum is an SPF 30, whereas the Nivea is an SPF 15. The big deciding factor for me here is the taste. The SunBum just has a really strong taste, and I think the difference is that the SunBum is really more of a sunscreen and lip balm formula, whereas the Nivea is a lip balm that happens to have an SPF in it, if that makes sense. While I do love that the SunBum has an SPF of 30, I think that the best sunscreen is the one you're actually going to wear. So I would much rather carry around the Nivea and reapply because the taste for the SunBum just doesn't work for me. And finally, I find the Nivea to be incredibly moisturizing, whereas the SunBum has an almost greasy texture to it. So it doesn't feel moisturizing, it just kind of sits on the surface of my lips. So in this particular throwdown, the Nivea is the winner. Please let me know your favorite drugstore lip balms that have an SPF in the comments below. And if you want more 60-second beauty reviews from us, please check the description box for a link to our playlist. We'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.